Where's she at? There she is. Come on, little girl. Just taking a little walk around our snow track. Yes, she is. Here's your girl. Yes, she is. Gonna take a little walk around the snow track. Come on. Rabbits live. At least he plowed me a road to my rabbits and check on them. That's about all I can do. Yeah, she's always interested in those rabbits. Go ahead, go get her. Go get her. Oh boy, there she goes. There she goes. Oh boy. There she is. Little girl. So what the heck is going on? And there's the beast. There she is. Try to get this situation under control. And there's the other beast. The snow beast. She says, what the heck? The walls on both sides. Yep. Well, see if we can't get her done. Let's go. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go on. Here she comes. Here she comes. Oh, yeah. A little sled dog. Here she is. Little sled dog. Go get him. On your mark. Get set. Go get her. There she goes. There she goes. Come on, little. Here she comes. Whoa. Alright. Let's clean this mess up. Let's clean this mess up. What do you think, Lil? What do you think? Alright. So that's it. She said that's it. Shake it off.